Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome to my crypto trading bot journey. So, this is day one. It is September 19th, 2021, and I'm going to be showing you my progress using this trading bot that I just purchased. I'll get into what I actually purchased, but just to give you an idea of where I started, I actually started investing in crypto back in 2017 with Bitcoin, and I hodled through crypto winter, and now we are in 2021. And if you're watching this right now, as you know, crypto is booming. And in 2017, when I first bought, I believe Bitcoin was around $3,500. Let me just show you the Bitcoin real quick. So this is Bitcoin. Where is it? Where are we at? This is Bitcoin. So back in 2017, I bought around August of 2017, so it was around $3,500, right around here. Um, and I bought some Bitcoin, I bought a little bit of Ethereum, I bought some Litecoin, and I saw this bull market take Bitcoin all the way up. It went to 20,000, almost 20,000 at the end of 2017, and basically I hodled all the way through all this through crypto winter of 2018 and 2019. And if you don't know what hodl means, basically it means hold. I think there's an acronym out there that means hold on for your dear life. But basically it's hold. So basically through 2018, 2019, through this big dip, I just held. I didn't sell anything. And, it went all the way through. You know, I think we went to lows of 3,000. We did a big range. We were in eight to $10,000 for a long time, but I held through all this time. And you know, during this time, I didn't trade because of a few things. I didn't buy and sell because you know, basically there's a couple things with trading. There's a couple things that first thing is TA, technical. If you guys don't know what that is, it's technical analysis. And I'm not never good at predicting the tops and bottoms. I'm not a technical trader, which is what TA, technical analysis, means. I don't know how to chart. I don't understand the basics of chartings. I know RSI levels, basic support and resistance levels, but really it's a lot of work. And honestly, I want to learn, but honestly, I haven't had the time to learn it. So eventually, I'll eventually learn it, but I haven't had the time to do it. Second thing is time. I don't have time. I don't have time to learn the technical analysis, and not only that, but I don't have time to actually be trading all the time. Sometimes I trade stocks, and stocks is a little bit different because it's limited to Monday to Friday. I'm over here on the West Coast in California. It's limited to Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Crypto, on the other hand, is 24/7. And I can't be sitting in front of a computer screen all day, every day, 24/7, 365. I got a job, I got a wife, I got kids. My wife, she'd be pissed if I couldn't leave my computer screen. So, the third thing is FOMO. Um, FOMO, in terms of, if you guys know what that means, fear of missing out. But most important, I never wanted to miss the big run up. Last year at the end of crypto winter, we had a couple big resistance levels. We had 10,000 slash 11,000. We had 15,000, 20,000, and when we finally broke 10,000 resistance, we quickly hit 15,000, and everyone thought that there was going to be a pullback. I thought there was, and I was going to sell my Bitcoin. Thought of was I would sell my Bitcoin at 15,000. It it drops down to 10,000. I double up my coin, and then I'll get on this ride and I'll have double the Bitcoin. But luckily I didn't sell. But I was telling everybody, I was telling a couple of my friends, if we get to 20,000 in Bitcoin, there has to be a pullback to 15,000, possibly 12 or 10,000, right? So I remember telling one of my friends that I was gonna sell, and we were talking. He was like, "Man, I'm not selling. I know the goal, and the goal isn't 20,000. The goal is we're gonna hit 75 or 100,000 Bitcoin, and I don't want to miss it." And luckily, I I listened. I didn't sell at that time, and as you know, we never pulled back, and we never pulled back to 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, or even 17,000. We just literally went straight up to 25, 30,000. Then we hit to 40,000 Bitcoin, 50,000, and then we hit that top in, I believe, March at 60,000. So that's why I don't actively trade. I've always heard about trading bots, and it's always intrigued me. So, if there was an automated way for me to buy and sell without me having to do anything, shoot, sign me up. I mean, you're telling me I don't have to sit in front of a computer all day. I don't have to learn how to chart. I don't have to learn technical analysis. It can buy and sell crypto for me without me having to lift a finger. I mean, that's like the dream, right? So, the idea of bots is awesome, but there were a couple problems with them, right? A couple things is, you know, there's if you do a Google search out there for a crypto trading bot, there's thousands of them out there, and there's too much. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know if these bots were profitable. Like, who's vetting all these bots? That was the big thing. Second, there was a big learning curve. If you still have to, in these bots, you still have to put in where you're going to buy and sell at, right? And if you're not buying a bot, you have to program it. And like I said earlier, I don't have time to learn how to do all that. The third thing is, there was a question, will the bot make or lose me money? If I put money into it, will I lose all my money? Now, I don't mind putting money to find out answers, but with thousands of bots out there, will I have to spend tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars to find the right bot? Honestly, I don't have that money to test if something works. I don't have the time or money to do that. So, this program that I got is called The Plan by Dan Hollings, and I'm going to talk about more about it in my next video, but currently we are in beta, or it is in beta. I was lucky enough to be in beta group 2, and beta group 2 actually started in mid-August, and I got the program. And actually, the week after I bought it, I had a planned vacation and I went to Hawaii for a week. And after that, I came back, life happened. A few weeks passed by, and I remembered I bought the crypto bot program and I started the trainings. So I started this demo bot about a week and a half ago. And I just finished session 3. The sessions are broken up into 2 to 4 sections, and each section is about an hour each. There's, I believe, 7 sessions, so I am about halfway through. And actually, let me just show you guys the bot. So here, let me pull it up right over here. So this is the bot. As I mentioned, I'm in demo mode right here. Um, I'm actually thinking about switching this off. Actually, I am going to turn it off and put it into real live trading tonight. So um, the title of this video actually should be day 0 instead of day 1, but let me just show you the results of the demo bots. So scroll down. I have 5 demo bots going. Um, this one right here is my HODL bot. Like I mentioned, there's a couple bots. There's the HODL bots, and like I said, I'm a HODL trader, and there's a few crypto that I plan to hold long term. These are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, Dot, Solana, a couple more, but those are the main ones. And yeah, let me just show you. So this is it. As you can see, total bot profit so far is $930, 4%. Um, Obviously, this demo mode, but some is bot profit is $930. Um, Total profit and loss is minus 741. Um, this actually, I think, takes into account the coin as well, and there must be a coin that's dipping right now because actually 2 hours ago I was looking at this and this was actually up about $80. So There must be a coin dipping right now. Actually, we could tell right now if we look at the Bitcoin charts. Price, hold on, 1 day. Let's look at the 1 day chart. And yep, we dipped. Here we go. We dipped a little today. So that was a couple hours ago, 7 p.m. Um, we dipped pretty hard in Bitcoin. So that's probably why it's gone down a lot on my Hodlbot. But let's go ahead and go back over there. Here we go. Um, yeah, so that's the total profit and loss, but the bot itself has made $930. This bot right here is my best performing bot. It's 20%. It's made me $335 or 13.64%. Um, and it's unfortunately out of range right now. So if we scroll up to the chart, and let me show you what happens here. So if I scroll back, so this is when I started the bot, right around here. And as you can see, that's September 7th. And the bot was actually running for only a few days. It was running till September 12th. And so it has been running for about 7 days now. But there are ways. But then, so what happened is it was in range, then it went out of range. Maybe the coins, they went down in value or they gained in value. In this situation, it looks like the coins went down in value, so it stopped trading because the bot wasn't in range. There is ways to regrid it and reset the parameters. Unfortunately, I'm not there in the training yet. I'm in, like I said, I'm in session 4. I think that's in session 5 or 6. So um, I'll see it in hopefully tonight. I'll get to it tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, this is the bot. If this kept on going, I'm pretty sure my profits would have been a lot better with this, and same with this one. So we have this bot, and it's down 26%. Hasn't been in range as well. So if I look at it, this one was only actually running for, so it started on September 8th, and it was running, got out of range, went back in range, and it was in range for another day. So it stopped running and then went out of range on September 11th. And so it hasn't been running since then. So it has been running for about a week and a half. So it was only running for like 3 days. So I should have regridded this, but I didn't. So that's some of the things that uh, I learned in demo mode is you can regrid it. Um, and and yeah, so that's that. I'm just excited to get this ball rolling. And I'm excited that you guys are joining me on this journey. And like I said, if you guys want to follow along, like and subscribe on the video, and I'll have another one. I'm trying to probably do the videos probably once every, at least once a week. When I first started, I'll probably be doing videos probably like the rest of this week, every day, just to make sure that the bots working as they should. um, and you can follow along, and you can see this will be proof right here if bots actually work. So I bought the product, and you guys can see with me. Hopefully, we won't see this a negative on this profit and loss once I start using my real money. But I am excited that hopefully I can make some bot profits. All right. So like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.